Hello guys, how are you doing today? It's a pleasure to have you here. Yes, today is the 27th of April 2021 and we want to talk about the Coinbase. Yes, we want to talk about the US cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, which went public on the 14th of April 2021, right? And of course, it went public with its shares opening at about $381 on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, right? And of course, this was huge for cryptocurrency market. And as we all know, the cryptocurrency markets are very volatile. And of course, a lot of people like to dive into it. So we're just going to do a quick analysis on the Coinbase and see what happened. Of course, we don't have as much data as we would have loved. But from what we have over here, we're going to be talking about this Coinbase. And of course, everybody seems to be looking forward to buying. But I believe by now, a lot of people are bleeding, right? Because when it opened up, if you look at what happened from here, right, you notice that from this point here, it just went up to about 640. And then from 640, it has come all the way down. And then it seems to be doing a ranging consolidation market, and it seems to be moving inside this range. Now, the best way for you to take advantage of what we have here, you can see we had a spike over here, right? We had this major spike over here. Now, the best thing for anybody to do in order to take advantage of this for buying purposes, you wait for the market to come back to this trend line, right, of this range. And then when it comes back, look forward to ambush here. Look for your price action candles. It could be your hammers, your engulfing, whatever you want to use to pull the trigger. But then pull the trigger here for your buy, and then hopefully watch it break out to the upside of the channel. And then of course you could get another entry on the pullback, right? So everything has to be strategic. You need to know where to look forward to entering the market, and of course where you look forward to exiting. And of course one could exit at the highest here when this launch came about on the 14th of April, or you could hold it for a much longer period of time. You could even close partial close. You could do a partial close around here, around 640 marker. And of course, that means that if you get an entry around this 230 area, that means you're going to more than double your profit. Yes, you're going to more than double your profit. We all know that the cryptocurrencies are very, very volatile. And of course, this is one major way for us to take advantage of what is happening. You need to join the bandwagon. Do not be left out. It's all about knowing where you're supposed to enter the market and then where you're supposed to exit the market. A lot of traders, a lot of investors today, they enter blindly, and of course they get burnt. And if you are listening to me now, right now, you need to be honest with yourself. If you're listening to me now and you are crying, you're sweating bullets on the Coinbase, comment in the section below. And of course, watch this chart and see how things develop. You could even set a price alert over here. So once it gets to this point, this will be your number one area of entry, number one. You could enter here, number one, and then this could be your number two potential entry. And then of course, you could target here too. So you have different ways that you can enter this market in order to take advantage, right? And of course, that's what we're going to be doing. So this was just a very quick video on the Coinbase to see how we can take advantage of it. It's still very fresh. It's not even up to a month old. It's barely 2 weeks now. So there's still room for improvement. And of course, we are going to see some great numbers on the Coinbase. Great. So if this video was helpful, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and of course, comment in the section below. And please, you need to watch this video over and over again periodically, so that when we get our entry at 1 or 2, then you'll know that yes, our prediction, our analysis came correct. Okay, great. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.